And on participles. H. Hamels, his teacher, had announced that he would question on participles on that that day. Little Franz did not know the first word about them. He was expecting a scolding from his teacher on that day. तो हमारा ये हो गया क्वेश्चन. अब हम यहाँ पे दूसरा क्वेश्चन पढ़ेंगे जो कि हमारा बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. What did Franz notice that was usually about the French school that day? Everything was as cute as Sunday morning. His classmates were already in their place. The teacher was very kind. He had put his special dress on him. The villagers were quality on the back branches. Every looked sad. His looked strange for French. अब यहाँ पे तीसरा क्वेश्चन है जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. 2000 मतलब कई बार रिपीट हुआ है बोर्ड पेपर में. What had been put up on the bulletin board? An order from Berlin had been put up on the bulletin board. It said that only Germans should be taught in the schools of Alsace and Lorraine. In these schools, the teaching of French had to be stopped. The new teacher would come tomorrow. अब हम यहाँ पे पढ़ेंगे चौथा वाला क्वेश्चन जो कि ये भी हमारा बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. What did M. Hamel say about the French language? M. Hamel was a teacher. He taught French. He said that the French language is the most beautiful language in the world. He said that it was the clearest and the most logical language, so they must guard it among them and never forget it. तो अब हम यहाँ पर पढ़ेंगे एक और क्वेश्चन है हमारा जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. यहाँ पे है हमारा एक क्वेश्चन जैसे कि आप लोग यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं. ये हमारा क्वेश्चन दो तरह से पूछा जा सकता है. व्हाट डिड एम हैमल राइट ऑन द बुलेटिन बोर्ड विथ ए चॉक ऑफ पीस. इस तरह से भी पूछा जा सकता है और इस तरह से. व्हाट डिड एम हैमल विश द हीज कंट्री बिफोर क्लोज ऑफ द स्कूल्स दैट डे. M. Hamel was a true patriot. Patriot feeling were running in him. He turned to blackboard, took a piece of chalk, and bearing on with all his might, he wrote as large as he could, "Vive la France," which means "Long life French."